Hello all, Emmerich's back. As some of you may know, I'm doing, I'm servicing my parts. I'm no longer going to be doing a proper garage service. It runs into sort of like this last one. They charged me £755 from the Mercedes. If I went elsewhere, probably around £400 or £500. I'm not prepared to pay that sort of money now on a 8-year-old car, so I'm doing the servicing myself. I've done the oil change, oil filter, done the air filter changes. I've bled the brakes. These videos will all be going up very shortly. And this is my Mercedes W204 C-Class. This specific model is the C350, but they're all pretty similar, just engine size is a bit different. And today, because I've been doing my service, and I'm not going to get the service warning light removed. There's a very simple the warning. I'm getting this warning come up, the service is due, service is overdue, every single time I switch the car on. And it's very simple to actually remove that warning yourself, and that's in this video. That's what we're actually going to do, so let's get down to it. Right, just to show you what I get confronted with every single time I start the car, and it would be the same for you, is this. Right, we need to turn the key to number 1 position, and there you have it. Service A3 due, or you could have it at some other service, but the way to reset it is this. Right, the very first thing we need to do is simply put the key in the ignition and turn to 1 position. So it's very important to show the miles, and all we have to do now is look down at the right side here, and where it shows you the phone icon on the right hand side, is to press that, and immediately after pressing that, look over to the left cursor panels, up, down, left and right arrows, and click OK. So let's do that now. So quickly press this button followed by the OK, and wait 5 seconds. There you see it, vehicle data, roller test, assist plus, and we just use these keys to go down to assist plus, and always press OK. You want to go to the full service, so we scroll down again, press OK. This time we're going to go all the way down, and we're going to go through all these services. That might just be enough on your vehicle, but if not, you go all the way down to confirm service, and when you get to that point, press OK again. And it's got the oil grade, which is an odd one. I would just go for the higher oil grade that I've seen on other YouTube videos. So go down again, press OK, oil grade, blah blah blah, service carried out, and you just go down to yes. It's not rocket science, quite straightforward. This cannot be undone. It says if you really want to keep this, then you shouldn't be going through this process. But what we'll do is go to confirm and press OK. Full service completed. And hopefully when I turned the ignition on, it's gone.